A total of 40 giant panda remains have been unearthed since 2003 in Shwang Cave, Asia's longest cave in China's Guizhou, according to the latest research results. The research results released on Tuesday show that among the panda remains found, the oldest individual lived at least 100,000 years ago, and the youngest lived only a few hundred years ago.
我们现在是在双河洞的一个靠上层的一个洞道，叫洞堡垭口洞。这里呢，我们发现了一个大熊猫化石。我们在这里看到它比较完整的它的下颌骨，它的一些肋骨了，还有一些脊椎骨了，什么都是完整的，说明它过来的时候是一个相对完整的一个个体。根据骨 DNA 推测呢，它大概是距今3000多年。
Researchers say the remains can help provide a rare sample to understand the population genetic evolution history and individual size evolution of giant pandas in the late Pleistocene.